address this floor. This is the first area I'm gonna work in. I'm gonna work my way inside out because I feel like the better I work out, the better my welding to get. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to recut. I have all these divots on this end, and I think if I cut out the whole area, because there's just too many little small divots in it. Same thing with this area. I'm gonna cut it a little flush. I'm gonna stop trying to just fill in the little holes. I did that over here. You see how it came out. It came out okay, but it still could be better. So I'm gonna cut out that area, and then I'm gonna weld another patch in and try to see if I can get it a little more flush. All right, I've cleaned up the area and flushed it out. I'm gonna cut out me some templates so I can cut my metal, then move on to the next step. So hopefully this attempt works out a little better as far as welding it. I just need to get a better grip on it. So we'll see how it goes. I got the hole patched up and welded up. Next, I'm gonna grind it down with my walkie sander, battery operated. I'm gonna grind it down, see how it looks, and then go from there. All right, I got the holes filled in. Got primer on it. I'm gonna spray it with some black just to see how it comes out. We'll see how it goes.